everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did another stuffed pepper recipe. One of my other ones I did was with venison, but this one I did with ground beef. It's pretty easy and straightforward. I just brown off my ground beef with my vegetables. Once I get it brown and cooked, I drain it off. With it drained, I start layering it with my cheese and my filling with my meat and vegetables until I get my pepper stuffed. Put it in the oven at 350 for about 15-20 minutes. Then I'll take it back out, put some more cheese on top, and throw it back in on broil for just a few minutes. Just watch it so you don't burn the cheese up. Just let it get melty and bubbly. And then take it out, let it cool for a minute, or otherwise you'll burn every single bit of skin out your mouth. But once it's cooled off, eat it and enjoy it, and that's it. It's a pretty easy, straightforward recipe. I'll put all the ingredients and directions down below so you can see how to do it if you want to. Anyways, I love y'all. Now I'll catch you on the next one.
Buying Walmart.